Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm giving you this green smoky eye glam. I don't know what to call it. Is it green? Is it khaki? I don't know. It's really simple though. I really actually like it. I thought I was gonna hate it when I first started doing it. You can see like my facial expressions, like as I'm like doing it, I'm like, oh hell, girl, you done fucked up, Lord. You don't know nothing about this right here. You done messed up, girl. But it came out cute. I really like it. It's still subtle enough where you can like do it every day almost, but it's also like glam enough to like really look like, you know, you that bitch, you know what I'm saying? Like it's really cute to me. It gives me like, bitch better have my money. Pay me what you want me. Don't act like you forgot. Hey, y'all know that song? Okay. But yeah, really cute. Anyway, let's get into the video. What you here for? Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, y'all. I kind of just want to play around with some stuff because I ordered like so much stuff and I never got a chance to play around with any of it. So yeah, that's kind of like where I'm at, what I'm about to do. And yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I got these bases, the crisp finish paints from PLouise. So I really want to play with these. I got the smoking hot and sweet and sour. I really want to do something green. So I'm going to slide you right back over here. This thing is really hard to open too. I don't know if I'm just slow or something, but it's like a chip bag, but this is really hard to open. Whew, okay. It didn't open pretty, but it's open. Jesus, okay. So this is the sweet and sour. It's like a dark green. And then it's really cute. It comes with a matching brush. So yeah, I'm gonna put the brush back in there though. We're gonna go ahead and base the lids just using the regular PLouise base in number 2. So what we gonna do is just take that like that. And I'm just gonna smooth this out real quick using a Morphe flat foundation brush. Okay, so the palette that I want to work with today is the Mocha Mitchell Feet on the Ground palette, and I'm going to show y'all, and so I'm going to show it to y'all, and y'all are going to lose your mind. Literally. Number one, I love the packaging. It comes in this really soft zippered case. You know, perfect for traveling. You know, it's really, really soft, so it's impossible to like, you know, like break a shadow, because you know the pain that is. And it don't ever be like a shadow that you rarely use, like a transition shadow. You know, you don't need a whole lot of transition, so it'd be okay if a little bit of that crack. But it's always the shimmers or, you know, colors that you really, really love. So I love that. And him as a full-time makeup artist, I think he understood that, so that's why he made it so bomb. But anyway, this is the palette. Oh, come through packaging. You know, a packaging slut like me live. Look at that. So pretty. Okay. I'm just so obsessed. Like, okay. So this is like the little sleeve, and then this is her. This right here is calling my name. Like, I want to do something green and khaki, like, so yeah, like this, little this, maybe this in the inner corner. I think so. So let's see where this goes. So I'm going to take the crisp finish sweet and sour paint, right? I am going to, oh, this is cute. It's gold on it though. This doesn't smell like the blank canvas. I was really hoping to get that smell because it smells like cake. The blank canvas one does. Doesn't smell like cake. Oh. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this on the back of my hand, just like that. Make sure that product goes back up in there. You only need a little bit. This is a lot, but it is what it is. Alright, so I'm taking a little flat brush. I think this is MAC. No, it's not. It's a little flat Meyermeyer brush. And y'all know how I do this, same way as if I was about to cut a crease. I'm just going to apply this to the lid to grip on to my shadows in a second. So. And I'm basically just taking this slightly above my natural lid line. I didn't mean to get this down here. That's fine. This is totally fine. I'll wipe that in a second. Yeah, above the natural crease line. I'm not gonna lie, it's more green than I was expecting, which is, it's not disappointing because it's a really pretty green, but I was like expecting this to be like the bag. The bag is like a deep dark green. This is just like green. So, you know, buyer beware. And this doesn't have to be, you know, like perfect or anything. You're really just getting the color down for your shadows. I think I want to do like a smoky. I'm going to take this little Kkw toothbrush and use a small fluffy end, and I'm just going to soften up the edges a little bit. Just so that when I get ready to build up my shadows and blend my shadows out, it automatically is going to blend out with the bases because they're blended out. So I'm just blending it out really far. Look something like that. I blended it out a little bit in more of a wing shape so it can start to, you know, like drag out. So I'm going to take the opposite end of this brush and I am tapping into the shade Greener from the palette, so it looks like that. And I am just packing this on the lid. It's so pretty. And I'm taking it up to my natural crease. These shadows are so soft and so pigmented. Like this is almost like a review video. I'm just like in awe. I'm speechless. I know me, speechless. Alright, so now I'm just going to take the brush, I flipped it over, and I just kind of like wiped off any excess of the base that was there. And I'm just going to softly blend out the edges of Greener. So now I'm just going to grab this base shadow brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to tap into Off-Roading, which is like this really pretty cocoa brown. And I'm going to apply this above Greener, just on the outer edge. And I'm just blending this all together, just as like a little bit of a crease shade, I guess is what we'll call it, whatever. And once you blend it all the way out, it just looks like this. I don't know what color this could possibly be called. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep going. Don't know where I'm going with this, but I like it. So we're just gonna, I'm not so much focusing this on the lid because I really want the shade Greener to be like the primary focal point, I guess is what we'll call it, of the look. And I'm going in with a MAC blending brush, and I'm taking the shade Clay Baby, which is just like this really pretty mustard color. And I'm packing this on top of, what's it called, off-roading? Yeah. Just you know, give me a little extra blend. And I'm actually going to put a little bit more of the base down just to make it really pop. I'm going to take this little angled brush, and I am going to take Bored in the House. And I'm just going to smoke it right here on the lash line a little bit. Not too much though. I don't want it. It's not that kind of party. I really just want the green to be prominent. But I just want to put a little black back here, just so when I throw on some lashes, you know, there's that. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and smoke out this side, and I will be right back. And I'm going to throw a little face on. I'll be right back. Base of the face is here. This is what we're looking like. Okay, so we are going to go in now, and what are we going to do? We are going to do our under eye now. So I'm going to take the Urban Decay Perversion pencil, my favorite eyeliner pencil, like, of all time. Okay, so now we're going to go back in with greener and then also off-roading. I haven't smoked out my waterline in so long. Feels weird. No, I'm not even going to hold you. It feels really, really weird. Okay, and for blush, I'm going in with my Juvias palette, the Zulu palette, and I'm taking the pink, orange, and yellow. As per always, today I wanted a little bit more orange. I'm going to lock down the face using the e.l.f. setting spray, the 16-hour full wear. Alright, and I'm just going to take this little tiny brush, and I'm taking the color Fool's Gold, which is like this green gold from the palette, and I'm just popping this. Ah! I'm popping this right here in the inner corner. Oh, that's so pretty. Now I'm just grabbing my Juvia's Place, which color is this? Royalty 1 highlighter. Alright, y'all, so I threw on a little gloss, feeling unfuckwittable, and got some little eye wigs on, and this is pretty much the face. Real simple, real cute, nothing too out of the ordinary, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, that pretty much wraps up another Eric Danley video. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what you want to see from me in future videos down below in the comments. Go the fuck off. Don't forget to like or dislike whatever you feel like doing. Hit the bell so that you know when another video comes. That way you can do the same thing. Watch, like, dislike, you know, do what you do. And I will see y'all in my next video. I love you. Bye.